Hello everyone, this is the presentation for Master Project ITEC 7415 in Federation University. In this presentation, it's about project reflection on assay health data analysis, which is the project we have taken in this Master Project course. And we are the team 8 in this project, and my name is Basudev Bandari. The purpose of this presentation is to share my presentation and my work and my contributing and holistic experience I have gained through this project and my journey in this project during the Master Project subject course. Beginning challenges were very hard, and then we were getting through the teams, understanding project requirements, knowledges about data dashboards, visualizations, sprints, Scrum methodologies, product backlogs, and user interest, and which were the initial challenges we were faced during the start of week 1 to 3 in this project. Our initial understanding was just to display a visual of the most important information needed to achieve one or more objective within the data in a consolidated and arranged in a single screen. And the way our project was given about assay health, and then by researching the assay health through the internet, and then seeing the dashboard, the assay health present itself in live, and then that was my initial understanding during the week 1 to 3 in this master project course. We did the role separation, and we have ability to specialize in a specific roles. And during my ability to specialize, I have contributed myself as a dashboard designer solely in this project, as well as I was contributing in other side of the project, which are project storyboard, product roadmap, sprints, and literature review, and other research works. Our client was Rajvinder Kaur. She was from Federation University in South Australia. Our project industry was in assay health Australia, so our industry was obviously healthcare industry. Our course coordinator was Dr. Naga Dasari, School of Engineering, IT and Physical Sciences here in Federation University in South Australia. And all these tutors were very helpful, motivating, and supportive. My contribution and my understanding was through the whole range of learning experience during these project courses. And we have gone through different courses and learning material in these courses, which are project storyboard, product roadmap, WBS, which is work breakdown structure, sprint backlogs, execution of sprint tasks, research and literature review of the articles, project rights and product demonstrations, dashboard designs, and explaining of the visualizations. And I will be talking about the reflection and my personal feeling about the contribution I have done in these projects. Project storyboard play a very important role in the beginning of the projects. And we in the beginning, we have gone through different project outlines, the problem outlines, the mission visions, and about project products and user stories. And we were able to identify different users, for example, stakeholder, chief executive officers, or ambulance service manager in the assay health, and analysis of assay hospitals data, and therefore which we can be used as a significant enhancement, and then ability to get the most benefit out of the assay health, which were the purpose of project storyboard at the beginning. And then later on we were able to improve up to different user stories, and then later on we came up to the 8 user stories in this project storyboard. Product roadmaps. The product roadmaps document provides a common thought between the different stakeholders, which will outline the vision, direction, prioritize during the projects. And we were able to identify different product visions, product backlogs, user stories, and project schedules. And we have gone through different literature reviews, and we have found project visions, product missions, and our product backlogs. And we were also able to figure out our tasks, what to do during the product backlogs, and estimation days of completion, which we were shown during the week 5 of the Gantt chart period. And then we will also figure out sprints priority during this product roadmap time. And we were also able to explain about the project missions, and which we have taken in this course as a master project in Federation University. During the sprint backlogs, we have gone through sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3, and we have adopted agile Scrum methodologies. Sprint 1 team contributions. This is the visual dashboard of Sprint 1 team contribution, and which the detailed focus was about the public and private hospitals in South Australia. And this dashboard has explained about the number of public and private hospitals in South Australia, specifically geographically during the out of regional South Australia and in the metropolitan South Australia, and as well as different classification of hospitals and their services availability in South Australia. My reflection on Sprint 1, as a dashboard designer, I have figured out metrics and calculation of given data. I have designed and optimized dashboards, identified interactive data and meeting the project requirements, formulating design sketches and prototypes. I have also applied stream-specific knowledges such as big data understanding, query editor performing visualization, and data modeling skills from the previous courses during these master project courses. And my learning from the past sprint were breaking down databases into the required mode, designing right databases, data modeling, and visualizing sketches. What could have gone better, which are expansion of query editors, structuring databases, supervisors, thorough review of the data, and more availability of the relevant data. Sprint 2, during the Sprint 2 period, we were focused about the SA ambulance and emergency department response analysis in this project. And we have gone through different dashboards, and then I have applied different stream-specific knowledges, for example, business analytics, data analytics, resource skills, literature reviews, and relationship diagram knowledges. What did I learn? I learned planning and scheduling, how to do that, and experimentation and iteration. I have also learned sketching and prototyping, exploring the cross-functional team ideas, and I have gone through different learning phases of this in this master project courses. And what could have gone better in this sprint? The time estimation, more relevant availability of the data, and inclusion of more research data could have gone better. Sprint 3, the team accomplishment. In this Sprint 3, our detailed focus was about SA hospital surgery and special services analysis. My accomplishment was to design the single visualization which was focused on specialized services available in various hospitals at SA, and which were like acute renal, spinal, heart diseases, or diabetic units, or comprehensive cancer units, or clinical genetics units, or cardiac surgery units. What did I accomplish during this Sprint 3? I have learned to write literature review. Also, I have learned to write data analysis. I've also learned trend analysis regarding the COVID-19 individual selection of data based on the hospital's past sprint review, right product selection in sprint backlog. And also I have gone through different research articles and sprint reviews, and also learn how the agile screen methodologies work, like verifying the increment against the definition which were already done and accepting the criteria, and reviewing the issues in the sprint processes, and continuously talking with my teammates during the WhatsApp and during the Zoom meeting, and then improving the sprint processes through the different pages, for example, planning, implementation, review, preview, and review again. Stream specific knowledges applied during the stream sprint 3 was about requirement specifications, trend analytics, resource skills, and literature reviews, relationship diagram knowledges. What did I learn in this past sprint was data analysis, expression, forecasting and predictions, bookmark and animations, and tooltips and external buttons in the Power BI technologies. What could have gone be better? As a dashboard designer, I have gone through different design pages in this project, and I have figured out some issues with the Power BI, and then I have mentioned it here, like implementing of the vertical filtering could have gone better. Preference for the custom column created in Power Query, disabling the auto date time in data load option setting, use of subset of data development of horizontal and filtering. Try using more variable tags, measures, and calculation, disabling Power Query loads for non-required tables, more relevant available data and inclusion of more research data could have gone better in the last sprint. My later understanding of these projects, a dashboard may be designed for a different purpose. Dashboard may be designed for a different purpose, which will include the communication tools, which will be engaged with different audiences, for example, internal or external to the organization, like as a health or as a management tool for regularly monitor and evaluate the progress of the project, program, or team or organizations. And commonly, dashboards are intended to support learning and improvement by providing regular updates on the progress. Information can be regularly reviewed and used to perform any necessary changes to design or implementations. Common criticism of dashboard is that they don't provide adequate space for narrative explanation or reflection, which may be critical to understanding the data presented. One strategy to mitigate this is to create a both dashboard and a single screen of visualized metrics, and a dashboard reports and multi-page documents with 1 or 2 visualized metrics per page, along with an explanatory narratives. Challenges with data dashboards are deciding what dashboard should look like, and conducting the usability testing with the intended audience, developing a dashboard for implementation strategies, and developing a dashboard for evaluation strategies. Introduction of the contribution to my project write-ups are literature reviews, and technologies I have used in the project write-ups are Excel's, Power Query editors, Power BI's, and my contribution to the project write-ups are also in the sprints, methodologies, and visualization explains. Product demonstration. We have also gone through different trending health issues around the world because of the COVID-19 situation, and we were able to relate data together to make project mix, which makes the project interesting in different phases of this product demonstrations. Skill set implementations. I have also done different other subjects in this master of IT courses, and I have figured out I have also learned different skills through professional research and communication, which are research skills, literature reviews, ability to find different literature related to as a health through the internet. And also I'm also able to relate this master project courses with the business intelligence and data warehouse. And also I'm able to relate with the business process analytics and change. And also I'm able to relate this with the leadership in IT project management. And altogether I can say teamwork, research skills are really important skills in this master project course. And this master project course is not going to finish in easy way, and this is obviously a continuous learning. And we can see implementation of agile approach, it's continuous learning. Obviously, breakdown work into smaller tasks, which is really important in this project durations. Time management is really important. Project participations and meetings are really important. Gathering the client requirements and updating the requirements significantly during the time of the project are really important. And these are the important phases during the continuous learning of this master project course. And thank you so much for listening to me.